CM Farm. Reverse Gimaw. Rebound by Bungan Tiso. Basket. And one. CM Farm. Second three-pointer of Gimaw. Basket. 3 points. Over. Binigay kay Ina. There's a steal. Abad. Eto. Andy Gimaw. Bungan Tiso. Basket. Bungan Tiso. Kick out to Abad. Left-handed. Abad. 3 points. Kick out. Abad na naman. Answer the long 3. Back-to-back 3 points for Abad. And he steal. Abad for CM Farm. What a start. Eto na corner. 3-pointer. Mingito. What a 9-0 run for the CM Farm. Tapos lumipad. Molina. Screen by Katarong. And it's still. Continue. Gimaw reverse. Off the balance. Pasok pa rin yan. Kaya Andy Gimaw. Nahanap si Ted Saga. Power rebound. Ayun, sa ilalim. Bungan Tiso, steal. Turnover. Mingito. Mingito. Mingito! And one! What a play by Vincent Mingito. Eto, what a defense. Ayun! And ayun na! Yun ang sinasabi natin. Kapigan na bola. Offensive rebound by Sikalabi. Jinmar. Screen by Sikalabi. And it's what a shot! Oh, Jinmar Bragaez! Energize the crowd here at Agusan del Sur. And completed. A 3-point play. Bon Bulak de la Torre. Power rebound by Suway Baguio. What a save. Bragaez. And Kinain! Kinain! Jinmar Bragaez. Si Katarong. Bungan Tiso. Sumobra. Haba-haba pa to. And what a pass. And a block. Bungan Tiso. What a block. Kasi may stroke na din eh. Suway Baguio. Grabe, pamugas kay tirada. Samonte. Tumulina. Strip by Bungan Tiso. Bungan Tiso. Tumatakbo. Tumatakbo si Bungan Tiso. Pero di pumasok. Gimaw. Screen by Ted Saga. Eto. Nakalusot! Andy Gimaw. And eto, another power rebound. Tapikan. Covered. What a pass sa ilalim. Reverse. And Bungan Tiso. Offensive rebound. Bragaez nakalusot. Oh! Again! That's the MJ move by Jixtil. Kobe Valencia. Bragaez na naman. Back-to-back basket. Play. Wala. Oh! Wala. Rebound by Bragaez. At naitira pa niya. And there's a foul. So Bulak. Receive the ball. Bragaez. Bragaez crossover. Oh! Wala! Pag pumasok to! Hey! Hey! Jinmar Bragaez! Bulak! A rondo move! A pass to the corner to Bon Bulak! Shout out! Grabe! Shout out daw! Rebound tapos. Samonte. Oh! Oh! There's an offensive foul! Bragaez! Oh! Hindi pa tapos si Bragaez! Third quarter pa po! Grabe! Kurang kila to eh! Nikalit na oy! Wow! Steal by Bragaez! And... Oh! Binaril! Binaril si Samonte! Balik kay Suway Baguio sa kanya pa rin ang rebound! Suway Baguio reverse no good! Tabi! Bumihares! Oh! The Magician! The Magician! Dean Mijares! Kalusot! Oh! What a block by Valencia! What a talent! Minggito! Oh! Sa baba na! Minggito! Recovered by Jean. Push, step back! Ming Ming! Minggito! Imaw! Behind the back. Eh, nakalusot. Eh, pumasok by Andy. Imaw. Kick out. Minggito. Minggito, three-pointer. Ming, for three. Ano? Paleta. Oy, tapis sa likod. Para defense. Long three. And that's the end of our third quarter. Para defense by Valencia. Rebound the ball to Saga. 5 to shoot. Dinmar Bragaez. Step back three-pointer. Oh my God! Steal mainit in it. Here at San Francisco Gym. Nation. Okay. Rebound Bragaez. Bragaez. Reverse. Basket count. Tansong Bungan Siso. 3. Push. Long 3. Random si Minggito. And that's a basket. That's a basket.
Uradato Kabanyog.
Kabanyog. Deflected. Suway Baguio. Recovers it. Turnover steal. Abad. To Tansong. One-handed layup. Basket. Tansong again. Sa ilalim.